Hi guys. I've been I have been missing to say hi guys because last time I didn't do. Today is just one Saturday holiday. I'm gonna just make a normal vlog. Today is not a usual Saturday because today we have a pre-voting election for president, which is a big day. Originally, the day will be next Wednesday, but today is pre-voting day. So I decided to do it today, and it's not that far from my house. So, oh, because of strong wind, I find a place to protect myself. But still, can you see my hair flying? Okay, so for your information, the election of presidents is in every 5 years. Oof. Already 5 years passed that I voted last time. Time flies. It's too cold. Still cold here. And there is a funny thing. Not funny thing. There is some ridiculous thing that I think. As you know, we use Korean age, right? But something like this election age is we count in international age. So over 18 in international age, we can vote. So Korean age is just counting age which makes you old, I think. But you know, we have a different type of speaking to the elders to respect. So I think one age gap is big when we were young. So I don't think this system gonna be changed. These kinds of things we use international age to applying a driving license or something like that. I just noticed this full screen covered my face, so I I think I should put it away, a little bit away. Maybe some of you guys just know. Oh, some of you guys know that we have a Korean age, but how they don't. Some people don't know how to count, so that's why I made a video last time. In that time, I thought I explained very well, but I watched it that again, and it's quite a bit difficult for you to understand who don't know about Korean age at all. So I maybe make another video to explain simply. Oh my god, so windy. Why did I choose today to make a video? Such a windy day. And one more thing, you know, in Korea there is a term like you should not talk about the politics with your friends, close friends. If you think different, then if you guys think differently, then just it may cause the fight or something. So we kind of careful, not like to talk about politic issue with a friend, but sometimes we do. What I want to just say is, I think we have to have a how to judge the information. There are a lot of information on internet, but actually I don't trust 100% of something. I just trust half of them. I mean, yeah. So and then I think about the issue and find the information about that. So that would be a small thing, but I think if many people do that, the politic issue about us, like a normal people, think correctly, and I'm not saying that the people think incorrectly these days. I'm just saying the more we concerned about the politic issue, not think about the politic as a I don't know, I don't know politics. I hate the politics. I hate the politicians. Something like that. Just think and concern more, a little bit more than before. That makes politics more healthy, I think. I don't know, this is my opinion. So voting is another thing to make our society healthy, I think. So I always try to go to a vote. I heard the percentage of pre-voting rising in every election, but this year is the most highest percent. I heard that. It's a good thing, I think. Many people join this big issue. I brought my ID card and that's all. I wish not many people are there. I heard yesterday there were so many people that we have to make a queue and wait a long time. Oh my god. So many people I can already see. I think I have to wait a long time, so I decide to eat something before wait a line. It looks like I have to wait 30 minutes or 1 hour. Always ice Americano, even if outside is freezing. This is a cheese panini. I've never tried this in this here, Paris baguette, but smells nice. While I'm eating, I like to watch YouTube. Jungkook, the Running Man. Korean roll. There are more people. No, no. The queue reminds me of the day when the whole world out of mask. You remember 2 years ago? That time we can buy 2 masks in a week in the pharmacy. That time I saw the queue, something like that, for the last time. Oh my god. About 30 people starting outside, and maybe in the building there are more.
예, 두 분 들어가셔서 손소 바꿔주세요. 예, 손 쏟아가지고. 삼각기를 노사, 보라색끼리 가세요.
It seems like typhoon out there. I can't control. I came PC room not for playing a game, but I need to print some documents to send. So, but in my house, my printer machine out of ink, so I have no choice but to come here to print. You can enjoy a game here, but I don't recommend in COVID season, so I will not put off my mask on. And when you come to Korea, I don't really think you need, but just in case if you need to print something, then you can come here to print. It's like 101 or 201 per page. I have something to do, so I came cafe. And this time, orange 8. I should not drink too much coffee, so this one. Finally, I came back home. Strong wind outside. I have been staying a cafe for like 4 hours or something. I have done my work, my own work, and then these days I'm so interested in the marketing things, so I studied a bit. Marketing and content thing, those are things which I'm interested in these days. So yeah, it takes so long. Cafe owners hate the one like me. Order one cup of juice and then staying like 4 hours. It's okay. I didn't know that the time passed like this fast. Okay, so I was supposed to go to post office, but today is Saturday, so they don't work today, which means go to post office today or go to post office on Monday, same. So Monday I need to go out in any way, so I decided to go in Monday, post office in Monday. And one more thing, I was supposed to go to gym, but I'm so hungry and listen, I'm making excuses, but still listen, okay? I'm so hungry and I have to have a dinner, and then the close time of the gym is soon, so I can't help it. Okay, so today's normal vlog of my me is over. Thanks for watching always, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.